GUDA hydraulic valve body automatic production line integrates advanced technology and intelligent control. Annual production capacity reaches 600,000 pieces. From workpiece loading to finished part output is fully automated and intelligently controlled. Robotic arms automatically pick up raw workpieces and place them at designated stations to replace manual handling. The vision system automatically detects the workpiece orientation and corrects its position. The transfer module transfers the raw workpiece to the alignment station for workpiece orientation adjustment. The gantry robot steadily picks up the workpiece and precisely places it into the fixture for clamping. Each station machines 2 surfaces, and 3 stations operate in rotation to complete all 6-sided machining. The Duplex milling machine is equipped with 2 work tables. While one work table processes, the other clamps workpieces simultaneously, greatly shortening waiting time and improving equipment utilization. The finished workpiece is unloaded by the robot and placed onto the transfer work table. The unloading robotic gripper transfers the workpiece for automated vision inspection, verifying machining quality and automatically rejecting non-conforming parts. Qualified workpieces are automatically conveyed to the next CNC finishing operation. The rough machined hydraulic valve body is automatically picked up by a high-precision robotic gripper and precisely loaded into the fixture of the horizontal machining center for clamping. The workpiece is precision machined on multiple surfaces, including milling, drilling, slotting, and more. Batch machining with dual work tables for maximum productivity. Finished workpieces enter a dedicated cleaning system to remove coolant, chips, and oil residue. Cleaned workpieces are transferred to the automated inspection station for probe inspection, ensuring dimensional accuracy. Qualified valve bodies are automatically placed in the finished parts collection area. GUDA hydraulic valve body automated production line delivers up to 1.5 million units annually with high efficiency, high precision, and lower production costs.